Before buying an air conditioner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about how some models just don't cool as promised, but the real winners are those that actually deliver comfort without breaking the bank.
Product number 1, Midea 5000 BTU Easy Cool. Let's kick things off with the Midea 5000 BTU Easy Cool air conditioner. This compact unit caught my attention because it's designed for smaller spaces, cooling up to 150 square feet. If you want a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance, this is worth a serious look. The Midea features mechanical controls that are super intuitive, making it easy for anyone to adjust the settings. With 7 temperature settings and 2 cooling speeds, you can find that sweet spot of comfort quickly. It's also energy efficient, boasting a SEER rating of 11, meaning lower electricity bills while keeping you cool. And honestly, it's quieter than your average refrigerator, which is a huge plus for those late-night Netflix binges. Now, not everything is perfect. Some users found the installation a bit tricky if they weren't handy, especially since you need a screwdriver for setup. But here's the thing, once it's installed, you won't regret it. It delivers consistent cooling without the noise. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable air conditioner for a small bedroom or home office. Skip this one if you need a unit for a larger space. Honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value for the features. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. This little guy is a game changer for personal cooling, and I was impressed by how lightweight and portable it is, priced at just $37. If you want something ultra convenient for your desk or nightstand, this is definitely worth a look. The Arctic Air uses hydro-chill technology to cool and humidify the air efficiently. It features dual cooling jets and can run for up to 10 hours on a single fill. So if you're someone who hates being hot while working or trying to sleep, this could be your answer. Plus, with its energy consumption of only 8 to 10 watts, it won't add much to your electricity bill. However, some users mention that it might not cool an entire room effectively. It's more geared for personal use. But let's be real, if you just want to stay cool at your desk or bedside, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a compact air cooler for close range use. Skip this if you want to cool a whole room reliably. For the price, it's a solid deal for personal comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, Garvey 8000 BTU Portable AC. We have the Garvey 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This 3-in-1 unit stands out because it not only cools, but also works as a dehumidifier and fan, making it a versatile choice for rooms up to 350 square feet. If you want a powerful multi-function unit, this one's worth considering. What's great about the Garvey is its quiet operation, under 50 decibels, which means you can use it while you sleep without interruption. The features like a sleep mode and a 24-hour timer mean you can customize it to meet your schedule. Plus, the self-evaporating operation means less hassle with manual draining. All of these features add up to make it an efficient and user-friendly choice. Now, some users did mention that it can be a bit bulky and heavy to move around from one room to another. But here's the thing, if you plan to keep it in one place, that shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful unit for larger rooms or living spaces. Skip this if mobility is your top priority. For the features you get, it's definitely a good value. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, check out the next product. Product number 4, SoyWev Mini Air Conditioner. Let's talk about the SoyWev 4-in-1 Mini Air Conditioner. This little unit really surprised me with its compact design and efficient cooling capabilities at an affordable price of around $45. If you want something lightweight and easy to move around, this is worth checking out. This mini AC has a 1,000 milliliter water tank that ensures long-lasting cooling. It also features 3 adjustable wind speeds and 90-degree oscillation to get that cool breeze directed right where you need it. Plus, it operates quietly at under 45 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces. The added LED lights create a nice ambiance, especially at night, which is a fun touch. However, it's important to note that this unit is designed for personal cooling, not for cooling an entire room. Some users were disappointed that it didn't cool larger spaces, but for personal use, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a portable cooling solution for your desk or bedside. Skip this if you're looking to cool down a large area. Given its features, the price is really appealing. All right, that was a great option for personal cooling, but if you want something with a bit more power, check out the last product.
Product number 5, JT Q-Ong 3-in-1 Evaporative Cooler. We have the JT Q-Ong 3-in-1 Evaporative Air Cooler. Priced at around $98, this model is designed for efficient cooling with a 3-sided design that increases air intake. If you're looking for a unit that provides powerful and even cooling, this might be the one for you. With its quiet operation and multiple fan modes, including a sleep mode, this cooler caters to all your needs. Plus, it comes with a remote control, making it easy to adjust settings from across the room. The included ice packs can enhance the cooling effect, which is a nice bonus when the heat really kicks in. And the fact that it has a large 8-liter water tank means less frequent refills. On the downside, some users found it a bit pricier compared to simpler models, but honestly, for the features and the cooling power you get, it could be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful cooling unit for your room without the hassle of installation. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. For the performance, it's reasonably priced.
We've looked at 5 solid air conditioning options, from the budget-friendly Medea to the powerful JT Q-Ong Evaporative Cooler. Each has its strengths, whether it's portability, quiet operation, or multifunctionality. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a great fit for you in this list.